Good afternoon everyone. So I'm bringing you a quick video about how we change the time on a Mercedes C-Class W204. The same sort of system should apply for a car before the sort of 2014 mark anyway. One with this sort of style interior, the older wheel and stuff like that. This sort of idea should apply for this. It's very, very easy to do. So you can do this in two sort of ways. You can either go to the system setting on the actual console here. If, for example, you've changed that and you don't have that available, you can shift this little nozzle here up and down depending on what you want to use. So I'm gonna push this up, but I'm gonna move the screen away. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna push it like that, and that has actually moved that little white marker there to the top part where I can navigate this. But you obviously need the screen on to be able to change that. You can change these settings in on the center console as well. That's the issue with Mercedes. They don't add any more features. They just add the same sort of way of doing the same thing, which is weird. Anyway, so you push this up or go to a system. I'm going to go the long way, and then I would go to system. You can turn this to operate that. Go to system, press down on the middle part, and you've got time. You want to go onto the time bit. If it shows consumption, you just need to navigate those little arrows sideways just so you've got the right screen. And then on here, you're going to want to go to time. And now you can set this automatically, so you can go to the time zone and then just choose the time zone you want. Or if you're lazy like me and you want to just set the time manually, you can just go to set time, and it adjusts it in half-hour increments in the same way that a time zone would. So for example, at the moment it's 11:33, so I'd set it to that and just press OK, and that's pretty much it sorted. If you're not happy with the format it's in, obviously you can change that, and with this you can obviously change it AM PM, and you've obviously got the month, year and dates in formats there. Anyway guys, that's a quick little video about how to do that. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next video.